Ons is baie ongelukkig vir die wat ons met so 'n reën instaan, vir die swak dienste wat ons kry in Bosmansville. Ons is baie ongelukkig.
Die beneficiaries kom eerste en dat hulle kry dit wat vir hulle toekom. Baie dankie.
He must not be granted bail. And I also thank all the supporters who are here for Mpho Eugene Kinosi. Thank you. He must not be granted jail.
Ek voel dat ek gaan die aktrise rol wees.
Ons het die water nie. Laas wat ons ingebreek was, ons gasbottels is gesteel, microwaves, ketels, gasstoof is gesteel, die kragdrade is gesteel. So daar is nou weer goed gevat. Ons weet nog nie presies wat nou gevat is nie, maar dis baie goed. Soos wat ons kan sien, tot ons toegas is ook nou gevat. So wat nou want toe van hier, so ons
that it can be that all our departments for now are sitting with the challenge of shortage of staff. We witnessed it even here at the court today.
Daar was vandag tolk beskikbaar nie en hulle sal eers die 23ste vir ons tolk beskikbaar hê. Daar was die die investigating officer gevoel dat daar die gemeenskap om Franse hy sal afbrand, maar dit is nie die geval nie.
Ek is hier by die hospitaal vanoggend. Ek was gister hier, my seun was opgeneem. Vrydag uitgevind gister dat hy nie water is nie. Pasiënte die hele dag gister nie gewas nie, die toilet nie gewerk nie. Jy kan net dink as 'n toilet nie werk, hoe gaan dit?
Would be something like this that many of us sitting here know. This is a government gazette. Now this process in the ultimate end, and I think sometime next year will be a gazette. SDF will be gazette.
We must not make it a dialogue. Give us a clear indication. Let's be open and frank. Let's put this thing on the table.
The police never gave me the service that I expected, whereby I became their victim on top of that, where they were supposed to give me an assistance.
People here both are not happy, the community are not happy. They are living in distress, they are living in a horrible smell where there are children, where there are old people, which is they can't even sleep at night due to the smell.
That we do take mining serious. However, education is very, very important to us, hence our commitments, hence our involvement in these two schools.
My naam is Jasmine Bapat. Ek is 'n representative van die concern groep van Sabal.
Maar dit is waar dat ons lede, gemeenskapslede geroof word deur onbekendes op die stadium. Van dit is met messe, van dit is met vuurwapens.
My estate agent that he would like to move out because he's unsatisfied.
To protest and go to municipality because they are failing us. Us as the white city shanties people, we are here to fight for our rights. We need
van ons het hierso. Kyk hoe lyk dit, voel julle gelukkig om elke oggend hierdie plek te kom werk. Kyk hoe lyk dit buitekant, kyk hoe lyk die papier, kyk hoe lyk die bottels. Dit is vieslik mense, ek kan nie glo dat julle by so 'n plek wil kom werk nie.
Weens die feit dat ons vir die afgelope 3 jaar sukkel met Sansabane munisipaliteit wat water betref, het hulle gister my hek afgery met die treinlorry.
Going to testify in court as to what had happened on that day. Then there's all marches planned to the court, but the community of Bosmansberg does not know how I.
Afsluit deur te sê dat Bunny altyd 'n spesiale plek in ons harte sal hê, nie net as 'n vriend en 'n medewerker nie, maar as iemand wie se nalatenskap ons met waardigheid sal bly eer.
Maar baie dankie. Lekker dag.